Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the modern window grill design ideas. Window grill design can provide your home with a fresh, fantastic way to increase security and maintain stylish sophistication using ornate and style. Window grill design piece, you do not have to settle for traditional and generic styles. You can have your choice of a vast range of design to suit any environmental and decor. Because of many design choice on offer, you can choose between simple sophistication or more pattern to complement your home and enhance its overall appeal. The real advantage of window grill design is that you are able to create and personalize your design to craft a look that will suit any home. Whether your home is European, traditional, or ultra modern, you will be able to find a window grill design that just right. You can choose from decorative or plain styles to either enhance or blend into surroundings of a particular space. For the average homeowner, grills serve as a simple yet highly effective way to enhance your home's appeal with added features to discouraging unwanted. They have a strong reinforced design and come in a wide variety of attractive patterns that make them ideal option for any home. If you are a big on safety but do not want to compromise the quality of your house appearance, then maybe you should look into window grill design. You can customize grill for window using a diverse range of patterns and colors, or you can select a pre-arranged pattern to match the stylistic qualities of your home. Whether preference or pre-made design, window grill are not excellent choice because they give you the comfort of variety. You can, for instance, choose particularly aesthetically appealing patterns such as floral motifs, circular patterns, heat-shaped patterns, and even vase design. Art design complement a beautiful traditional garden setting, while waving and floral design are a more conservative traditional choice. More commonly, and especially if you like to keep it simple, you can for something as straightforward or as a diamond. There really is no limit to how much you enhance and complement your home appearance and atmosphere with striking window grill design option. Then you have the material option depending on your taste, style and grill design purpose. You can choose between wrought iron, cast iron, steel and aluminum with different colored, stylistic and safety enhanced additions. It does matter whether you prefer intricate design or modern finishes because window grill can be customized for any and every taste. If your home been missing something, give it a little sprinkle of magic window grill design. You get the combined effort of styles and safety all in one design option. According to your selection criteria, find the best price, the most local service, and the highest recommended supplier today. There are no specific design rules when it comes to choosing window shapes and size, and therefore let your design side come out when choosing the perfect ones. Many architects like to play avoid and solid space on walls and place windows in interesting. They are appealing to the eye as well as takes advantages of gorgeous views. For varieties to custom shapes, windows look to window manufacturer to see all of options available to you. Another consideration when choosing windows is how much heat gain and loose through your glazing or window is transmitted. Several windows manufacturers sell solar glazing that keep more harmful ultraviolet light from penetrating in your home. We already know the potential harmful effects of UV lights when outdoors, but the light can also fade your furniture and finishes as well. Use your window wall as the artwork for your interiors. There is not any better piece of wall art than nature. When choosing color and finishes for your home, look outside to the view to get inspiration. A lot of color to compete with the beautiful view. Window can help you your interior by using the view as inspiration. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.